Hey, this is Israel and Akori. This is my hardware project number 1 for modern digital systems design. I'll be going over the truth table from 0 to 15, 16 possible solutions on either number 1 in output or 0 output from it turning on and off. Okay, so here's my truth table, and I'll also upload the truth table in the description. So we're starting at 0. For 0, it has 1 at in the output, so that means the light will be on, and the light is on. Now next, I'll do 1. So I flip, whenever it's 1, I flip the last switch on. So that is a representation of 1, and the light is still on. That's a representation of 1 in the output. Next is 2. So I'll flip the third switch. So this is a representation of 2, and the light is still on, as showed on the truth table. For 3, this will be my representation of 3, and the light is also still on, as shown on the truth table. Now I go to 4. This is a representation of 4, and for 4, the output is 1 and the light is still on. And now I go to 5. This is a representation of 5, and as shown on the truth table is 1 and the light is still on. For 6, this is a representation of 6, and the output is 1, so the light stays on. 7, this is a representation of 7, and the light is also still on because the output is 1. And 8 will be shown this is 8, and the light switch is still on. And so for 9, the output is 0, so the light should turn off whenever I put 9 on. This is a representation of 9. The output is 0 and the light is off. And now for 10, the output is 0, so the light should also stay off for 10. This is the representation of 10, and the light stays off. For 11, the light should also stay off. This is 11, and the light stays off. For 12, the light should turn back on. This is 12, and the light turns back on because the output was 1 on my truth table. 13, it goes back to 0, so it should turn off. This is 13, and the light is off. 14, the light should turn on. 14, this is my representation of 14, and the light turned back on. For 15, my last input, the light should stay on from all 1s, and this is my representation of 15, and the light is on. So this is my representation of the truth table.